Hey, it's Mike from Zoomers. We're just finishing up our virtual RV show. We have 809 new campers ordered here at Zoomers that'll be here in the next 5 months. If you come by our website, zoomersrv.com, you can pre-order one of those 809 units, get your name on that unit so it'll be here for camping season. You can apply for financing on our website. We're building a complete online buying experience. We'll have your unit right here in our delivery bay, have it plugged in, set up, have our team of delivery specialists walk you through your unit, take possession of it here, or we'll ship it to your home, whichever you choose. Dealers have increased their price due to the demand. We have not. Our pricing margins are the exact same from 21 as they were in 2020. We're committed to getting the very highest quality units to you at the very best price.